Hello dear students, today we are starting our new chapter time and calendar. Okay, so this time and calendar, the basic things you already learned in the previous years, how to write the time, how to read the time, isn't it? So in this year we will study some more things. Okay, so first of all we studied about some things that is in the previous years, isn't it? So in that one AM and PM is there. AM and PM. All of you know what is AM and PM. The full form of AM is anti-meridian and PM is post-meridian. Anti-meridian and post-meridian. Okay. So what is AM? We all know that in a clock, we can see that our clock is like this way, isn't it? It's 12-hour format. 12-hour format. When will our day start? Our day, a day is starting at 12 o'clock midnight. That means 12 o'clock midnight means the time most of the time we are sleeping, isn't it? The time after our supper, that we will go to the bed when it is what midnight 12 o'clock, isn't it? That means it will be dark, isn't it? That time is 12 midnight. That time is a new day starting, isn't it? From that time to 12 midnight to 12 o'clock noon in the day. Understand? 12 midnight to 12 o'clock noon. That means how many hours it's taken? 12 hours. Understand? 12 hours. Okay. So 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. That time is called what? AM. Understand? AM or morning time we'll call it morning time. That means the time you are having your breakfast, and the time usually we were the previous times, isn't it? We are going to the school on what AM, isn't it? Okay, 8 AM, 9 AM. Our classes starts on the morning, isn't it? AM. Now the present time, morning time, isn't it? That is also AM. Up to where 12 noon time. After that 12 noon to again 12 midnight. Understand? That time is called what? That means 12 noon, 12 o'clock noon, 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight is called what? PM. Okay. So 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. So evening time is what? This PM. Okay. The time we are having our supper, isn't it? That time is also what? Night. Understand? So this is what? PM. PM is called what? Post meridian. Post meridian. So this thing we already learned in the previous years. Okay. So that's about the AM and PM only. Now we comes to the thing. We all know that we know how to read the time. Usually we are reading in 12 hours format. 12 hours format we are reading. For example, if you are in 1 o'clock, 1 PM means what? Afternoon on PM. PM is indicating that it is afternoon. But if instead of writing this PM, we can represent this thing in 24 hours. In 24 hours, we don't use AM or PM. AM and PM is not using in 24-hour format. Okay, that is the important thing. 24 hours, we no need to use AM or PM. Instead of that, we will change some what are the things. So I will show you how we are writing 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. 24 hours. We all know that a day has how many hours makes a day? 24 hours makes a day. So total 24 hours is there. How we are getting to 24 hours? We know that from 12 midnight to noon midnight, how many hours are there? 12 hours. Isn't it? 12 hours are there. 12 hours are there in AM. We can say 12 hours are in AM because 12 midnight is starting. Then 12 o'clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 24 hours is there, isn't it? So in AM 12 hours is there. Okay, 12 hours is there. Okay. And in PM also it is 24 hours. In PM also how many hours are there? 12 hours. Isn't it? In PM, that means in PM starting at 12 o'clock noon From that time to 12 o'clock midnight, how many hours are there? 12 hours. Understand? So in PM also how many hours? 12 hours. Isn't it? So totally how many hours makes a day? 24 hours makes a day. Total 24 hours are there in a day that we already learned. Okay. So in 24 hours when we write, usually our day starts. Okay. Our day starts at 12 o'clock midnight. 12:00. Isn't it? Okay. 12:00. It is day starting. Okay. So 12 o'clock midnight. The day starting in a when we write in AM or PM, we write 12 AM. So it is 12 o'clock midnight. But when we comes to 24 hours format, we represent this as starting 000. 00 hours, 00 minute. Okay, then 1 AM. 1 AM means 100 AM. Okay, so it is 00. This is in 24 hours. This is in 12 hours. Okay, so I will show the difference. Okay, 1 AM is what? From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. This is 1 AM. That means there is no difference between 12 hour and 24 hour. That means 1 AM we can simply write 100 hours. Okay, then 2 o'clock how can we write 2 AM? We can write as 200 hours. 3 AM how can we write 3 hours. 4 AM how can we write 4 hours. 5 AM 5 hours. 6 AM 6 hours. 7 AM 7 hours. 8 AM 8 hours. 9 AM 9 hours. 10 AM 10 hours. 11 AM 11 hours. Okay, then 12 AM 12 AM, that means 12 PM. Okay, 12 o'clock noon means 12 PM is what? 12 hours. Understand? That is the difference between 12 AM is 00 hours, but 12 PM is what? 12 hours. Okay, so up to that one, there is no change between 12 hour and 24 hours. Up to where? 12 o'clock noon. Okay, that means 12:00 PM. It's become 12 hours. 12 hours. But when we goes to next one, 1 PM. 1 PM. We already wrote 1 AM in 1 hours. So we cannot write 1 PM as 1 hour. Okay. So instead of that one, what we have to write? We have to write after 12. What is next one? It is 13. So 13 hours we need to use here. 13 hours. Okay. So to 1 PM it's become 13 hours. Then what about 2 PM? 2 PM become 14 hours. Then 3 PM. So changes happens mainly for what one? PM. Understand? Up to 12 PM it is what same, but 12 AM is what? 00 hours. Okay, 12 AM is 00 hours, 12 PM is 12 hours. And 1 PM it is not a 1 hour because we already used what 1 hour for 1 AM. So 1 PM is 13, 2 PM 14, 3 PM what? 15. Okay, 15 hours. Then 4 PM is what? 16 hours. 5 PM is what? 4 PM 16, 5 17, 4 16, 5 17, 6 18. Okay, 7 19, 8 20. Okay, 9 21, 9 PM is 21. Okay, 9 PM is what? 21. 9 PM is, I am not writing everything. Okay, 9 PM is 21. Okay, 9 PM become what? 21 hours. Okay, 10 PM become 22 hours. 11 PM become 23 hour. Then after 11 PM it's become 12 AM. 12 AM. 12 AM not, it is the 24th hour, but we don't write 24 hour. Instead of that one, what we will starting point is 000 hours. Understand? So this is the difference between what? AM and PM. Okay, so 12 AM is 000. It's become, that is 24th hour. We are writing 0000. That means, for example, 0013 hours means what? To convert into a, that means AM format. 00 means what? It is 12. So we can write it 12:30 AM. Isn't it? So 12:30 am is what? In 24 hours, we will write 12:30 am as 00:30 hours. That means 12:30 a. Understand? 00:30 hours means what? 12:30. Understand? Then what about 12:30? 12:30 hours. 12:30 hours means what? Here 12:30 means what? 12:30 p.m. Isn't it? 12 is coming for p.m. in 24 hours. Isn't it? So 12:30 hours means 12:30 p.m. That is the difference. Then what will be? 23:15 hour. 23:15 hours means 23 is used for which time? 11. 11:15 p.m. Isn't it? 11:15 p.m. is what? 23:15 hour. So it's a crossing 12 means it is p.m. indicating the p.m. Okay. So we corresponding 24 and 12 hour I will give us a table. Then you can easily understand it. Okay. So okay, yes. So that's all. Thank you.